Verse 14. Now about the middle of the feast, Jesus went up into the temple and taught. And the Jews marveled, saying, How does this man know letters, having never studied? Jesus answered them and said, My doctrine is not mine, but his who sent me. If anyone wills to do his will, he shall know concerning the doctrine, whether it is from God or whether I speak on my own authority. He who speaks from himself seeks his own glory, but he who seeks the glory of the one who sent him is true, and no unrighteousness is in him. Did not Moses give you the law? Yet none of you keeps the law. Why do you seek to kill me? The people answered and said, You have a demon who is seeking to kill you. Jesus answered and said to them, I did one work, and you all marveled. Moses therefore gave you circumcision, not that it is from Moses, but from the fathers. And you circumcise a man on the Sabbath. If a man receives circumcision on the Sabbath, so that the law of Moses should not be broken, are you angry with me because I made a man completely well on the Sabbath? Do not judge according to appearance, but judge with righteous judgment. So ang pagsunod ng matapat na kalooban ng Diyos ay isang mabisang paraan upang magkamit ng malinaw na kaalaman espiritual. Sabi nga sa verse 17, If any man wills to do his will, he shall know concerning the doctrine, whether it is from God. At sabi nga sa verse 18, He who speaks from himself seeks his own glory, but he who seeks the glory of the one who sent him is true, and no unrighteousness is in him. So ang pagmamataas o pagiging mapagmataas ng isang leader ng reliyon ay laban sa ugali ng turo ni Kristo. Ang tunay na tinawag ng Diyos na ministeryo ay magiging sensitibo sa kadakilaan ng kanyang guro. At sarili niya, makikita niya ang kahinaan at kakulangan. Sa panahon ni Kristo, ang nais ng iskriba at pariseyo ay papuri galing sa tao. Ngunit si Pablo, mababasa natin na kilala si Jesus ay mapagkumbaba. At tungkol naman sa araw na Sabat, kung kailangan tuliin ang bata sa 8 araw at ito'y natsyempo sa Sabat, ay ginagawa ito ng mga Hudyo. Ang reklamo nga ng mga Hudyo kay Jesus ay nagpagaling sa araw ng Sabat at dinidepensa ni Jesus ang pagpagaling niya sa araw ng Sabat. So makikita rin natin na may matutunan tayo dito. Huwag dali-dali ng paghusga na ang mukhang mali ay mali at ang mukhang tama ay tama. Sabi nga sa verse 24, Do not judge according to the appearance, but judge with righteous judgment. Alalahanin natin, the Lord of the Sabbath looks at the heart even this day.